Alright, welcome everyone to Binary Traders. We trade what you see, not what you want. Yesterday being 31st of January, I posted a video and I got a report on my voice. So today's lecture being 1st of February 2026, which is Sunday, and kind of to recap on previous lecture I did with you guys. So this is not the beginning of this video. If this first time you are coming to this channel and you have not watched that video, please go and watch that video. If you don't do it, you'll still be confused on this teaching. Let me show you the video. Alright, here is my channel. If you go to my channel, you see this video, ICT Power of Trade plus London session, how price delivered. Watch this video first. This first video, watch it first. If you haven't watched this video, this lecture I'm going to teach here will be confusing because I'm going to recap on this lecture and there's kind of things I will not say which I have already said in this video. I will not say it again on this video, and this video is going to be long because there's a lot of teachings I will make with you guys. It may reach 1 hour or it may not, or it may be above it. There's a lot of details I wanted to teach on this video before I found out that my voice is not clean. It's not clean, so I have to stop there and post it. So if you are resetting yourself and you want to be successful in this game, you want to be honest with yourself, go and watch this video first. Okay, alright, you can see you need to watch that video. When you watch the video, you understand how we get all those lines. You understand, because I'm not going to start afresh to be showing where I get all this gap. You can remember what I told you about this particular line, this color that is here. You know what I told you about these two colors? What is it? What did I tell you? What did I told you about this color? These two colors are the opening wick gap. This is the hand, this is the leg. Let me show you so I want you to understand something here, bro. Today's lecture I want it to be special. Weekly open gap. Leg. Please, on this video, take note of everything I'm going to be saying here. You can see it. Hope you can see what I write here. You can do screenshots after I'm done with the video. You can do screenshots. This is the hand. I'm not going to write the hand. I don't want a lot of things to be on my chart. Here is the hand. Here is the leg. You can write new week opening gap, hand. You go and put it on your chart. Go and put it on your chart today. This week is going to open today. So when it open, draw it out. Draw where it close today. And where it close on Friday. Let you have this. You can choose any color you want. I don't care. But I like this color. Whenever you see these two colors, know that it's always my weekly opening gap. This will be the leg. This will be the right hand. Okay. You know what I teach you here about this line? You can see here is the new midnight opening price at when 12 o'clock a.m. New York time frame. Remember, if you haven't watched the video, if you haven't watched the previous video, go and watch the previous video where I said you change your time frame to New York. You can see here it's 12 o'clock a.m. on Monday 26. You draw it out. Each day you open your market, calibrate your chart because you need it. Once you calibrate it, you draw it out. That's what you'll be doing every day. If you really want to learn my strategy, be doing it every day. Why? because there's some kind of setup that is going to be forming at this blue line. You know how I draw this blue line out. I've recapped it again today. So here is 2 o'clock a.m. Midnight New York time frame. From 2 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock is what? What did I say this? London cuisine. Okay, now to bring your idea back to to bring your attention back to where I said accommodation, manipulation and distribution. If you look at this line that is here, you can see this line, this one. What did you think that this is accommodation, this is manipulation? Wait, let me start afresh. Accommodation, or let me use the market itself and draw everything out for you. Accommodation from 12 o'clock a.m. when market open on Monday, it starts accommodating till when 2 o'clock a.m. where New York time frame opens. Then once it's 2 o'clock, they start manipulating. What did I told you about manipulating? Fake run. You can see it here. Most of you were still confused after the video, but I believe it's because of my voice. I really want you to earn a lot of knowledge here. At 2 o'clock, they manipulate to here, to this imbalance, to take out all this high out. All this high that was manipulating in price. All those high, it pick it out and goes to the imbalance. And I said on the video, there is kind of way you will pick entry here, which is the main move. Where I say here is the main move, which is manipulation, which is distribution. What did I say? Another name for distribution: the main objective, or the main move, or the reason why the market goes up. You can recap it like this. You can see these two colors: blue, yellow and red. Let me change the red to another color because I want to do something with it. Let it put it black. Okay, you can see the color over there. Accommodation. Here it's chopping a lot of people. Here from 12 a.m. they start accommodating, chopping people. You can see there is no interested movement here. If you pick your entry here, they will take it out with this swing low. If you pick your entry here, they will take it out with this swing low. If you pick long here, they will take it out with this high. You can see there is no a lot of movement. I'm on 5 minutes time frame. You can see it. Do you see any movement? Any nice movement? No. It's been a choppy day. It's been choppy since market open till London session open, which is what, 2 o'clock a.m. They manipulate to where? To fake run, deceiving people that they are ready to go long. You can see how the market moves. When, on which time? So let's go back to 5 minutes after. Sorry. Okay, and I showed you on the video where you can pick entry here for distribution. I showed you where you can pick entry here at when 2:30 a.m. This teaching I'm teaching here is what happens most of the weeks, most of the time. You just have to learn it. You might be confused at this video, but don't worry. You will still understand how it goes. This is the map, market map. Market follows the log cage. Then this is the kind of something I draw out then, where it accommodates faking people that they are faking people, doing chopping, stressing you, blowing your accounts, doing chopping. Then they manipulate, which is fake run. It's not the what men move. When they are pushing the market long, does it mean that they are ready to go long? No. Why? Because it's fake run. This is what manipulation. It's kind of to form a daily high and then go to the main objective. You can see this is bearish power of terror. Here, this thing I draw out here is bearish power of terror. Accommodation. Okay, this is black. You can see, is it not the same thing that happened here? Is it not something? Did I add anything to you? This black candle, is it not the main move? This yellow, is it not fake run? If you are to trade this long, if you are to chase the long, you'll be taken out with this black one. If you are to be chasing accommodation, you will probably be taken out because you haven't know what the market is trying to do. They haven't give fees, they haven't give framework, and you start pushing up. It's hot most of the time. Okay, so I want to teach you how you can pick your answer and where you will pick it. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. You can see we are now on 1 minute time frame, so I want to bring out previous Monday where we are doing our teaching. Okay. Here is 1 minute time frame. Here is 2 o'clock a.m. where market start doing what? What did the market start doing here? At 2 o'clock. What are you going to be expecting when the market has already taken this low out with this displacement and push high, and it's already 2 o'clock. Market have already taken these two lows out, these two relative equal low. You can see it, they are almost at one line. You can see the little, let me show you something. You can see the peak out relative equal low. You can see the low here, you can see the low here. The peak out relative equal low when they start dropping around what? Before 2 o'clock. And what is 2 o'clock? They start doing what? Pushing the market high to where? To fake run. Fake run, what is the what is their target? To take all these stuff that's above here and to take anybody out that starts putting shorts over here, because of they don't know what the market want to do. They are just gazing, and the market want to take them out before doing what? Going to them and move. Are you still confused? Okay, you can still take it this way. You can still take it this way. Market open, create high of the day and start distributing. Market open, because I have told you don't use my setup to any other time. It's only when I said it you put it. There are some kind of things you need to avoid, and there are some kind of things you need to be focusing. These are one of the things you need to be doing, and avoid it. Avoid this time. Did I teach you anything here? If you are doing anything here, you are on your own. You are on your own. I'm not teaching you anything from 12 o'clock a.m. to you just have to use what happened here to capture what they are going to do. We trade what you see, not what you want. Do you understand me clear? Okay, so the market started to push high. The market started to push high and still pumping up, still pumping up, still pumping up till the heat take it out. If you check at 5 minute time frame, you can see how the market respected the body. You can see how the market respected the body of the gap, for you to know that what I'm teaching is real. Is real, is what the market is doing. I'm not adding anything. You can see how all the body of the candle is respecting the gap. Hey brother, are you did you understand me? Did I add anything? No, it's clean. The body is clean, giving alert. Who is he giving alert to? Smart money, that they are not going to go long anymore. And you can still if you pick your entry above this gap, when you see what the other block, and the other block was still respecting the body of the candle. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Let's go back to 1 minute time frame. Please don't think that I'm doing it with smartphone and you can also do it with smartphone. You can't do it. Use PC. Use PC and search all those. Look at it, study the movement, study the what I'm trying to teach you here. You hear me, bro? Okay. Okay. Let's start the teaching again. If you are still confused, you can use from here is consistent candle. Actually, I think on 5 minutes time frame it should be 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 3 on 5 minutes time frame. If I'm to say, you can go and check it. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's going to still be consistent candle, and I can't go there back to there again because I'm using smartphone to teach you. So it's not the kind of thing I want to teach you. You can see here after the drop down, the body was still respecting the gap, and this black candle only hit at the middle of this gap that was creating between here and there. You can see there's gap there. Do you see the gap? And there, that is the reason why the wick, only the wick respect the candle, giving a beautiful setup. And this you can see, you need to focus on the thing matters. Understand, when you understand what you will be avoiding and what you will be doing, you are almost hit the success. They touch the wick touch the gap and they start pushing down. Once the wick touch the gap and start pushing down, where will you be targeting to? You can be targeting this opening gap, midnight opening gap. I've already teach you about this midnight opening gap, how you can find it. Where are you going to find it? At where each day where market opens, at where 12 o'clock a.m. midnight. So you can still hold, sorry, you can still hold till the market land over here, and the market did not touch the, you can see the market never did not touch the leg yet. You can see over here the market did not touch the leg yet. You can see the wicks did not take this leg of what? Midnight opening price. You know what I teach you about this midnight opening price. You can see market did not take it out. Because of market did not take them out, we have unfinished business. They did an unfinished business here. They did not take it out. Why the main move was to go and take it out. The main move, which is this black line I show you here. You don't need this to your chart, just study them. This black line, which is the main move, was for them to go and touch the leg, and they come down. They did not take the leg out. So you have an unfinished business. You have to wait. Whenever you have your buyers, that you can see, you have to wait for them to go to your support. Where is the support? And this low that was created ahead of what? London session. This low that created the head of London session. You can see the candle. The candle low that created London session low. They go there. And you can see there is gap. Even the candle that comes down gives gap. So here is kind of empty because it's only the body that is there. Then after moving and take the support, they come down and finish the business. You can still pick short here. You can short here at the support. This week here going to be on Monday. I want you to be doing this. Be doing it every week. Be doing it every day. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. 9RR. I want to drop those things out for you to see them. You don't need to catch everything I'm showing here. Once you get a nice setup, you can wait and study the remain. And don't trade yet with live account. Don't trade yet with live account. If you are trading with live account, you blow your account, because everything I'm teaching here, you need to study them first. They are not just support and resistance they teach you there. You can start. No, I'm teaching you market technical, market skeleton, high technical of market. Alright, when the market started to go the main move, what if you don't chase this, don't chase long. When my bias is bullish, there is nothing, I'm not interested to go long anymore. That is me every time on my chart. Once market bias is bullish, I'm not interested to go long. Why? I will be only focusing on shorts, because long is going against my expectation. So I don't need it. I don't need to confuse my brain. I need to focus on the one that matters and leave the thing that does not matter. Which one does not matter? This fake run does not matter, because it needs a lot of study. You can think that they are going to start long here. You put your stop loss here. You enter here. If you enter here, they will take you out. If you still enter here, you may be feared with this long candle. You may get feared. So I'm not teaching you this is fake run, but you need to just study it. This is the kind of run I'm expecting to do or to go short. I don't trade this. I don't trade it, because I'm focusing on what main move. What if you miss setup at the gap. What if we miss the gap here? I teach you again that you can still enter where to the volume gap. That is how I bring this. This is volume gap, volume imbalance. Volume imbalance. Where did the volume imbalance found? At midnight opening price. We are below it when the market has already keep pushing high since London session open. And it comes down to your first target and give what? Volume imbalance. Volume imbalance, and keep giving other block. You can see other block here. You can see other block here, and keep pushing. Keep pushing. You can close here. You can close. If you close here, is a lot of movement, but you can still hold it for them to give you to take those losses. And when they give you see this long and see some kind of candle, want to rise, take your profit, or you can hold for them to come back again, and you can still enter from here after missing the two setup as the three setup. I want you to be doing to do for this market is this. This is all I want you to do. Keep your stop loss above midnight open. They are not coming above it. The candle is only coming to hit the midnight opening price. They start pushing down because I'm not expecting the body of this candle to move above this volume gap. If you did not see this volume imbalance, don't trade. Know that they are not ready, or this pattern and teaching does not work the same day. It works most of the time. Go and study, know when it happened and when it did not happen. When it did not happen, did I ask you to trade? No. When what you're expecting does not happen, if you did not take trade, did you lose? No. Sorry, when what you're expecting did not happen and you did not trade, did you lose money? No. It's only when what you're expecting happen, you put a trade. If it don't happen, don't trade. So tissue, once the market hits the week and drop the week at the middle of there, take your profit and set your hand and put it at the end of this this candle that form this AV or above by side liquidity, wherever you want, but I love to keep it above here. Then you can take first profit at here at midnight open price, or you can still hold it to down wherever you want. This teaching don't you like this teaching? Doesn't this teaching make sense to you? I will teach you about this fake run, and I'll teach you about how you can take the main. You can see the main movement has 1, 2, 3 setup, a very nice 3 setup. Only when you understand this, when you know the information. If you don't know the information, the market will keep looking like it's a shopping day to you. Then around 3 o'clock, and when they hit to the low of the opening gap, I don't want them to move anymore. I want them to still keeping high. Your target will be where? When they touch the leg at midnight opening price. So at midnight opening price, I don't want you to be chasing all these things, but I want you to kind of to learn. Go long over here because market have done what? The mission. Then when you go long, you'll be targeting midnight opening price. Did you see? Did you see how beautiful it looks like? I love doing this and I'll keep doing it every day with you guys. I love doing it and I'll keep doing it. You can see how it is. Alright, you can see it. I'm back on 5 minutes time frame. So if you are to watch the video now, if you are to kind of study how long it will be take you for you to know the main move, you can see it from 2 o'clock a.m. You stay on 5 minutes time frame, start reading the price, start reading it from 2 o'clock. DANSEE. Then what is the next one? Next movement. Do you see that everything that I'm showing you here every day is still working? And there's not only one information that I'm giving a lot of information. From 2 o'clock starting with the DANSEE. Then you will see it dropping down, taking out all these lows and kind of to form volume imbalance, which I'll be teaching you. So if you see this market on live account, will you still be confused to you? Won't you understand what is going to be happening? Have you seen how beautiful it is? After hitting the low, they keep running till 5 o'clock when the market will close and take out this high again. Take out this high that created the main move. What was the main move? To do what? To target this leg of FVJ when they have an unfinished business here. Because why did they have an unfinished business? Because they need support to unlock the door. Here is still closed. They can't just come in and start putting up. They need to go and collect key from here and come here and unlock the door, which is what the main move. And once they hit the main move, there's nothing else that is going to be dropped. The market is not going to be dropping anymore. They have finished the move and they will be doing what? Their main aim is to what? Take this high that formed it again. You can see, or you can still target this midnight opening price. Don't think that it's this low. This low should not be your target on midnight. No, don't check this long. Don't check this one that is coming here. This one is coming to support. After the support, then they will be going long to where? To midnight opening price. From midnight opening price, they anchor the hand of midnight opening price and still keep pushing high. There's nothing like sending and buying pressure when you know the algorithm. I'm not teaching support and resistance. Tuesdays, I want to remove this and go to Tuesday. I'm sure you have this screenshot. If you have not this screenshot, make it back. Play the video back and do screenshots. You can see I remove everything, but I did not remove this weekly opening gap. Yes, 2 o'clock when market started to go fake run to where? To this gap. Then it distributes to where? To the leg of the opening gap. That's all you need. Then let's go to New York opening time. When did I say that my opening time will start from? I said it's going to start from 7 o'clock a.m. on New York time. This is, I like this for 7 o'clock. Then 8:30, I like this color. I don't change color that much. I can change color of FVJ, but once is this line, my color matters to me. Sorry for the battery. My phone is low and I just need to do this because I'm heading to somewhere and my, oh god, I'm sorry. Alright, you can see here is 8:30 a.m. New York, which is on Monday. I'm fine night. Here is 9:30. And here is 11 o'clock, where I always close. My students know that I don't trade ahead. Oh my god. Once it's 11 o'clock, I'm done with morning session. Here's where my market close. Here is 7 o'clock where market open. Sorry, I still need one more thing. Midnight opening price. I should not remove that. You can see once before you go to your chart, calibrate 12 o'clock. I still like midnight should be red to this line. Which color did I say you'll be seeing for my midnight opening price? Which color? Blue line. Sorry. Okay. Then when market have already finished with London session, I've teach you about this London session. I'm now on New York session. I'm same day, which is Monday. Previous week market. Alright, at 7 o'clock the market start dropping. Why are they dropping down? Because of this leg again. To complete the, you can see they keep dropping to the leg, and at 8:30 they form this low to where, to the middle of two up close candle. How sure are you that the market is going to run? Because you have already seen that the leg have been touching, that they have finished their works, and next work should be unfinished. If when I'm watching this price, if this candle take this out, I will not trade again. Take this low out, I will not trade, and I will know that my bias is wrong. And if they take it out and I did not take the trade again, did I lose money? No. Did what I expect happen? No. Nothing happened. But when I am expecting this low to not be taken out and they keep pushing high, I pick a trade. Did I win? Yes. Did I fake the rules? No. There's no need for the market to be coming down again. They have already finished their work already before this low. You see it. If you still want to read the market before entry and to get your confirmation, you can see DANS. Start from definition where the market touch the leg. DANSEE. You can see it. No, it's not complete. DANSEE. E E. Okay. If you pick your entry here, you are still right. If you pick it here, you are still right. But E, here is where E stops. You should be waiting and trying to study. If they are going to take this out, if they take this out, know that the bias is low. Or some people call this some kind of ultimate entry. Why? Because it comes to respect this FVJ that is here. The FVJ that, and you can see this is one consistent candle that form this up close candle. One consistent candle. Like it was here. Like it was here on London session. You can see one consistent candle. You can see it here. One consistent candle. After that, they start pushing high to where? Where was the target? On that high that was created at London session. You can see. On here, there is relative, there is a lot of loads here. You can see. So market is not likely to leave it open this way. So they are looking for some reason to take this out. They comes down at London session. It wasn't that a lot. They need to start off at this. You can see it. They keep pushing high. If you are to kind of use the pattern I teach you on this, you will read the market this way. If you want to read the market this way, you can still come and read it this way at the opening price. I know that. Oh my god. To use mobile phone and trade is kind of stressful. I'm just doing it because I love doing it and I really want to teach you. And my brother is also learning from this. So I have to do it for the sake of my brother to be perfect and successful. So that's why I'm doing it. So on 1 minute time frame at 8:30, when they push the market high, they comes back to this gap. Sorry. You can see. The market rise, comes down, rise again, and comes back to this way. Well, after 8:30, after news event, they come down to this gap. Then they start pushing the market high to where midnight opening price. They were still. That is why I said draw this line, this blue line as is very very important. There's when you will be targeting it, and there's when you can be taking trade from there. You can see that's when you a lot of chance you have to enter the trade even at 7 o'clock. You can see here the market stays at the midnight candle. You can see. If you have to read the market, where will it start? Where do you think you will start to be reading the market gaze? I want you to think at this. Think out what I want you to share first before I start. Okay, if you have think, fine. If you have not think, fine. If you are cheating yourself, and you know that whatever you're doing, if you are, if you want to learn, you will be honest and learn. You will be honest and learn. If you don't want to learn, that is where you go. You can see after the market dropped down and had unfinished business around 7 o'clock, they move high and they move high, and all this candle that was staying, that was spending time here, all this candle did no one takes this boss, this gap. No one was able to tell this gap. Like I said before, this teaching is going to be long because I want you to benefit a lot from it. You can see from there they keep turning down to where, to this leg of weekly open gap again, or you can still take it at a head at the hand of the gap after they comes down with displacement and still comes up again to the hand. You can take shots from there, expecting them to reach at the leg. At 7 o'clock, you can pick shots at hand of gap and take your profit the leg, or you wait for the market to drop down to the leg and then start pushing up when at 8:30 o'clock. Then let's measure. You can see from the low that was formed at 7 o'clock, you can see the low that was formed at the leg of the gap and the recent swing high that forms 50% of it is where they comes. Where was the 50% here? Which is what this social liquidity, not KVJ. And there's a VJ here. Let's check the 50%. From here to here, you can see the 50%. What is below the 50%? This gap. You can see this gap is below 50%, and all the candles were staying at here respecting this. And you can pick your trade. You see how sweet it is. Okay, alright, I'm done teaching. In this video, if you are still confused, please ask your question. You are free to ask questions, and you are free to ask questions and get your answer free of charge. When you ask me question on what you don't understand, I may answer you directly, or I may use it for the next lecture. If I see that the question you ask is really important to everyone, then I will do it as lecture for the next video. If the question is personal question to answer you, I will answer you. I want your questions. I want to confirm that people are learning from me. Ask questions and like my video, subscribe and share. May God bless you. Amen.